P. Loyangan Singh, please come on the stage. And K. Malangan Singh. Okay, P. Loyangan Singh. Now he is reading in class 7 in Northeast Academy. So his events is thakta, and the championship which are taken from this first one district level thakta championship, which participated at Silchar DSA, and he got silver medal. And as well as he also took part Assam State Thakta Championship at Hojai, and again he got bronze medal. For this, please give a big clap. Sarbinot, chairman of our school. Next, I would like to call K. Malangan Singh. K. Malangan also participated thakta on this event, and he got silver medal from Maitai Youth Festival Thakta Championship, which played at Lakhipur, and he got silver medal. Next, district level thakta championship, there also he got gold medal, and state level thakta championship at Hojai, he again got another gold. That means 2 gold and 1 silver. Please give a big hand. Now I would like to request our sub principal for felicitating K. Malangan Singh.
Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to call among the girls Miss L. Sanjita Devi of class 7. Okay, she is L. Sanjita Devi of class 7, and this event was held at Rajasthan First 24th Sub-Junior Sepak Takraw Championship, and she bagged bronze medal, and again she took part the event held at Assam Youth Olympic 2022 at Guwahati. So she bagged there also gold medal. And again, School Sports Control Committee, Cachar Telegram, there also she bagged another 1 gold, 2 gold medal and 1 bronze. For this, please give a big clap for Miss Sanjita. And I would like to request our Sarbinot for felicitating this. So next one, again, I would like to call S. Abhigyan Singha of class 7. Okay, our Abhigyan also participated this 15 Assam State Thakta Championship 2021, and he bagged gold medal. Next, 27 National Thakta Championship 2021, he again bagged another silver medal, and again School Sports Control Committee, from there also he bagged another gold medal, and 5th Cachar District Thakta Championship, there also he bagged another 1 gold medal also. Total 3 gold medal and 1 silver medal for S. Abhigyan Singh. So for this, I would like to call our respected Madam Jana for felicitating S. Aryan Singh.
Thank you, madam.
Now I would like to call Aditya Sharma Laineo. Aditya Sharma of class 7. Okay, he bagged first one gold medal from 15 Assam State Thakta Championship 2021 held at Sonai, and another gold medal back from 27 National Thakta Championship 2021 from Jammu Kashmir, and School Sports Control Committee, from there also he bagged another one silver medal, and again 5th Cachar District Thakta Championship, from there also he again bagged another one gold medal. Total 3 gold medal and 1 silver medal for Aditya Sharma. So for this, I would like to request our Sir Principal for felicitating Aditya Sharma.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next. Among the gold medal, among the bronze medal, and among the silver medal, our Northeast Academy, now we have plenty of medals, and again we will get so many medals. Now medals are on the way. So among this, I would like to call again M. Amarjit Singha of class 10. Class 10, Amarjit Singha. Okay, M. Amarjit Singh.
Không đủ trên như thế thôi.
M. Amarjit Singh, he bagged silver medal from Assam Youth Olympic Guwahati, Assam, and he also participated, which event was held at Karnataka, the school 25th Sub-Junior National Sepak Takraw Championship. He bagged another one gold medal there, and again 5th Gold 12 National Taekwondo Championship at Sitsagar. There also he bagged another gold. 2 gold and 1 silver for M. Amarjit Singha. I would like to request our Sir Vinod for felicitating M. Amarjit Singha.
Thank you, Hero.
Yes, sir.
Ni hai nei tu ho dro.
Next, I would like to call T.I. Singh and Sana Singha of class 10. Good student, not only good, he also helped us for arranging today's annual function. Okay, T.I. Singh and Sana, the event was held at Guwahati, Assam State Inter-Club Taekwondo Championship. The name of the event is Taekwondo, and first time he bagged 1 silver medal. Next, recently, the event was held at Bongaigaon, 37 Assam State Taekwondo Championship. There, suddenly he got another 1 gold. So for Singh and Sana, please give a big hand for his 2 medals, 1 gold and 1 silver medal. For this, again, I would like to request our Madam Jharna to felicitate Mr. Singh and Sana Singh.
Thank you, madam.
Sorry, one another gold medal also there for Singla International Singh, which was held at Shivsagar, 5th Goldwell National Taekwondo Championship. And now another one international player. So for this, her name is, I think, in all her name, Miss A. Priya Devi. For this international player, I hand over my microphone to our service.
Her felicitation, I personally want to speak on her felicitation. A. Priya Devi passed out SSLC examination 2027 from our school, Northeast Academy. She has been playing from her childhood sepak takraw. When she was in class 7 in our school, she bagged not only gold medal throughout India, inter-school sub-junior sepak takraw championship, she bagged gold, and she was announced as the best player of India in sepak takraw. Okay, we have the photograph in the school that was held in Rajasthan or Gujarat, and now she is an international player. She has always been gold medal winner in the whole championship in India, national level, state level. Now she plays international sepak takraw. First, last year she got King's Cup sepak takraw mixed world championship held in Bangkok, Thailand. There she bagged bronze medal. It was a mixed, 2 from Delhi, 1 from UP, 2 from Manipur, and she is the only one from Assam that time. And next, a few, maybe 1 or 2 months before, ISTAF World Cup 2022 sepak takraw championship held in South Korea. There she got gold medal. She was the best and she bagged gold medal. That is the second medal, international medal. And the third, very recently, only maybe 3-4 days ago, she returned back from Bangladesh. That is 4th Bangabandhu sepak takraw, South Asian sepak takraw World Championship. She bagged 2 gold medals, 1 for the team and 1 for her own. Okay, so in international sports, she bagged 4 medals, 1 bronze and 3 gold. We are very proud to announce, I am very much proud to announce her name here on the stage. She is not well, she is sick. Even then she went to Cachar today for her sports, some felicitation or some program was there in the morning. She returned back, has just now returned back. She is not well, she is sleeping, taking rest. Her mother is along with us. I would like to call mother of A. Priya Devi, please come on the stage. Please give a big hand, all of you. A. Priya Devi is our school's pride. We are very much proud of her. And for this, I would like to request Raja Vinod Singh, our chairman of the school, please hand over a small gift to her. Priya Devi is unable to come and she is present today. This is finished? Yes, sir. Friends, other programs will continue. Face a lot of financial problem. Although I sometimes help financially, but I cannot do much. And here, before all of you, I would like to give a small financial help to her mother.